आगे संभव इसका बजट के लिए स्वाइप स्कीम्स का पैकेज पीएम स्किल एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर यूथ के पैकेज के दूंगा इसको ये यूथ के लिए पोजीशन सर स्किल्स कंपटीशन में 19th पोजीशन में थे हम 2017 में स्किलिंग में आज 11वीं पोजीशन में 11th रैंक पे आ गए हैं by 2020. Sir, three members have spoken on poverty and global hunger index. Poverty
Niku,
and
what are you
global
listening
hunger
to?
index.
Can you hear me,
Right,
Niku?
my coach.
No.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
afternoon. First of all,
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, everybody. Hello, Chiku. Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes, sir.
evening.
What are you listening to? What are you listening to?
for India's sake may not work.
What
I'm
are
not
you
saying
listening to?
because you have raised the point, but I tell you why. इन सबके विश्वसनीयता
What are you listening to?
मैं इस ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स की विश्वसनीयता पे कुछ बात
Okay, Shweta. You
हम
can
मैं
keep
प्रश्न
your camera off for today.
मैं जो विषय बोल मैं क्वेश्चन के द्वारा जवाब दे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिटर्न कंट्रीज
क्या सुन रहे हो, Niku? I've been asking, what are you listening to? What are you listening to? Niku has been listening to something. I think it's a news channel.
Chiku, sir.
Sorry, Chiku. मैं क्या बोल रहा? My bad. Chiku, my bad.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Shweta. Good evening.
सर
Shweta
मैं
is-
कंफ्यूज हो रहा था मुझे
Good
लगा
evening.
कि निक्कू कोई नई न्यू स्टूडेंट
Oh,
होगा
I'm so sorry, Chiku. My bad.
इसीलिए मैं आपको रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा
I'm
था
so sorry, Chiku.
नो प्रॉब्लम
My
सर
bad. So what have you been listening to? What were you listening to, Chiku?
लिसनिंग
What were you listening to? What were you
Good
listening to? आप क्या सुन रहे थे? Hello, Purva.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. आप क्या सुन रहे थे? What were you listening to?
मैं कुछ नहीं सुन रहा था सर मैं आपको सुन रहा हूँ
Oh, there was a video on in your room. आपके रूम में एक वीडियो ऑन था. मैं बता रहा हूँ.
यस 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 न्यूज सर न्यूज
Who's watching?
ओह
Who is watching?
टुडे न्यूज सर
Who is watching? Who is watching? कौन देख रहा है? Who is watching?
माय फादर इन लॉ
Your father-in-law is watching. Okay, get
यस
it.
सर
All right.
नो प्रॉब्लम सर
Dharmendra, why is your camera off, boy? Again, the same
sir.
thing. Come on, boy. Don't play with your camera. Leave your camera on. Okay.
ओके सर
Yep. Now we are going to study. We are going to read the text about Babar Ali.
सर
Sir,
Uh,
yesterday
ये
your homework
सर
is not.
बाबर अली का जो हिस्ट्री कहानी है वो कौन सा इस पे है 2.30 पे भी नहीं है 2.14 पे भी नहीं है हम सुनना चाह
Don't worry. It's a reading text. It's not a listening
यस
exercise. It's a reading text.
या रीडिंग टेक्स्ट सर
Yes.
यस
इसके लिए ऑडियो नहीं है. There are some things which you are supposed to read. There are
सर
some things
बट
you're supposed to listen to.
बट कल आपने जो चलाया था
क्या चलाया था?
यस
क्या चलाया
यस्टरडे
था? क्या चलाया था?
ये बाबर अली का जो हिस्ट्री है उसका रीडिंग
Yeah, the text is right in front of you. It is on page number. What page number is it?
19.
19.
19.
18 and 19.
19.
Page number 18
Sir, my
and
homework
19.
is not checked.
Don't worry, Sayogita ma'am. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Tip script 2.13 sir listening and
Don't worry about
listening
it.
and
Don't worry about
complete.
it. I didn't go there. I didn't go there. We were doing exercise 2 and 3, isn't it, people? We yesterday did exercise 1, 2, and 3. Okay? This is exercise 5. Wait. Now, let's read the text together with me, everybody. Babar Ali. We read yesterday that his village doesn't have a school. Okay? I asked you to make sentences. I said Bihar Sharif doesn't have a nightclub. My town doesn't have a nightclub. कुछ लोग गलत इंग्लिश बोल देंगे, पता है क्या गलती करेंगे वो कहेंगे इन बिहार शरीफ डजंट हैव ए नाइट क्लब, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में चलेगा बिहार शरीफ में नाइट क्लब नहीं है। सही इंग्लिश कैसे होगी बिहार शरीफ में नाइट क्लब नहीं है का?
In my town, there is not a nightclub.
वेरी गुड। और सामने क्या दिखा इसके हिसाब से?
The village doesn't have a school.
Have a school.
और इस हिसाब से अगर मैं बोलना चाहूँ इसी पैटर्न पे तो
My city doesn't.
My town doesn't have one nightclub.
my town doesn't have a night club. Okay, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. I can hear some noises. Where are they coming from? The noises. Okay, his village doesn't have a school, but Babar is lucky. But Babar is lucky
Lucky.
because he goes to a private school in the next village. When a village doesn't have a school, then children in that village normally don't get education, isn't it? Small children normally don't get education when the village doesn't have a school. But Babar is lucky because he goes to a private school in the next village. And his school costs
Yes.
1,000 rupees, 12 pounds a year. Right? This course costs 7,000 rupees. Right, guys?
Yes.
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 All right. And 1 kilo of doodh or 1 liter of doodh, go on, 1 liter of milk,
950, 1 liter, 950, approx 940, 250.
and he
1
50.
liter. 1 liter, sir, 950 milliliter.
No, that's not my point. We are teaching, we are learning how to talk about the price of things, right? His school costs 1,000 rupees a year. And I said 1 liter of milk,
Same.
50 rupees.
go on, complete the sentence. 1 liter of milk,
1 liter of milk.
next word, costs
1 liter of milk
Liter of milk
costs
cost
50 rupees.
50
Cost
rupees,
50
60
rupees. 50 rupees per day.
all right, very nice.
Per day or per
One
kg?
li- per
A liter.
kg. Per liter.
Okay,
liter.
you don't have to say that. You
No,
don't
no,
have to
sir.
say that because I said a liter of milk.
1
a
liter of milk cost 50 rupees.
That's right. That's right. Saying Okay. Private schools cost a lot of money. I can hear noises. If there is noise around you, please mute your mic. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, I was saying private schools cost a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
Private schools?
Cost lot of
अच्छा, अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ private schools plural, तो मैं cost बोलूंगा या costs?
cost.
और मैं कहूँ this school तो
Costs. Cost.
costs. Okay, I hope you
Yes,
understand.
sir.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
subjects in two categories: I, you, we, they, right? And second
Yes, sir.
category is he, she, it. So when I say this school, I'm saying it, right? The
Yes, sir.
costs. And when I say private schools, I'm saying they.
They,
And that's why I will say cost.
their cost.
Okay. Let's talk about the cost of some more things, the price of some more things. Let's talk. What do you want to talk about? Right now, good mangoes, good quality mangoes,
Cost
Cost
100
is
rupees
100
per
rupees.
kg.
100 rupees a kilo,
100
right?
rupees.
Good mangoes
yes.
cost 100 rupees a kilo,
Hmm.
right? Costs. His school cost 1000 rupees. Negative sentence, students?
His school doesn't
His school,
cost
his school
100
doesn't cost
rupees.
2000
His school
rupees.
doesn't cost
His school doesn't
1000 rupees.
1000, 2000 rupees.
Very good. Sulekha, can you say that again, Sulekha?
His school doesn't cost for 100 rupees.
Very good. Very nice, Sulekha. Well done. Guys, if we want to ask a question, then what are we going to say?
Does his school cost 1000 rupees?
Hmm. Come on, people.
How much cost
Ah,
his school have?
His
tikri-
school
tik-
cost
tik- tikri
100
lagao,
rupees.
tikri lagao, tikri lagao.
How much does
How much
does it
cost
Babar's school?
How
How
much
does it cost?
his school?
Very
Does
good.
his
Very
school?
good, Adib beta. Very good. It's Zeba. Everybody, remember the tikri? जब भी कोई verb वाला sentence ऐसा रहता है, अगर मैं कहूँ he goes to school, तो आप tikri कैसे लगाते हो?
Does he go to school?
Does
Where
he
Where
go?
does he go?
Does
Does
उसके
he
बाद
go?
question word
to?
लगा लेते हो जब जरूरत पड़ेगा why, when, where, है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो his school cost का पूर्वा question क्या बनना चाहिए था बेटा?
How
How
much
much? How much?
How much
does
हटाओ ना?
does it
How much हटाओ
cost?
ना? How much हटाओ ना? How much तो meaning के लिए है.
does his
Does
Does it cost?
does it
मैं
cost?
अपूर्वा से बात कर लूँ थोड़ी? Please
does
everybody
his
cooperate.
school cost?
Cooperate. Yes अपूर्वा.
यस सर
Does it cost?
फिर से ट्राई करते हैं. His school cost. Question बनाओ इसका.
Yes, sir. Does
Does.
his cost?
Does his school cost? आप कितना उलट पलट चली गई थी अपूर्वा थोड़ी देर पहले? कितना
his-
उलट पलट चली गई थी?
Does his school cost?
पैटर्न को याद रखना है मेरे बच्चे. ओके? जो
Okay, sir.
एक वर्ब में चल रहा है पैटर्न वो सारे वर्ब में चलेगा. ओके पीपल लेट्स कंटिन्यू. अब पूछ लेते हैं डज हिज स्कूल कॉस्ट के साथ हम हाउ मच लगाना चाहें लगा दे और क्या बोलेंगे?
How much cost?
How much does
How
his school
much
cost?
does
How much does his school cost?
How much does his school cost?
How much does his school cost?
Okay, another
रे इधर से
question.
जाता हल्ला कर रहा.
एक सवाल
much
ये है,
does
एक
his
सवाल ये
school-
भी है, एक सवाल ये भी है कि क्यों क्यों है ना? इसी सवाल में हम क्यों लगाना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, तो क्या बोलेंगे? Why
Why
His
Why-
school
Why
cost?
does
Why
it
does
cost?
his school
Why
cost?
does his school cost
1000 rupees per annum?
Why
very
Why
good.
why does his school cost is high?
Why does his
Has
school
his school
cost
cost
1000 rupees?
1000
आपने बहुत
rupees
गलत
per
कर दिया
year?
पूर्वा उसके बाद फिर इज हाई बोल करके आपने
Sorry,
बहुत
sir.
गलत किया.
High. Yes, sir. High.
हाई
Only
भी
high.
नहीं 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 नहीं
Good
हाई नहीं
evening,
बोलना
sir.
था. 1000 rupees बोलना था, हाई नहीं बोलना था. Why does his school cost 1000 rupees? अभी फिलहाल आप खाली ये प्रैक्टिस करिए. Good evening. Why does his school cost 1000 rupees? Why? Why does his school cost 1000 rupees?
His school cost 1000.
Why does his school cost 1000
Why
rupees?
does cost?
ना ना
Why
why does
does-
cost नहीं हो सकता.
Why does
Why
his
why
cost?
why sir why
Why के
Why
बाद
does
why?
his
अच्छा
school cost?
Why does
School cost
Why does
1000
his school
rupees.
cost
अच्छा, तिकड़ी.
1000 rupees?
अब मेरे चिक्कू को बोलने दीजिए. चिक्कू तिकड़ी बताइए, तिकड़ी बनाइए, तिकड़ी.
why does school cost
अब सही है.
1000 rupees?
अब सही है. तिकड़ी बनी उसमें.
Why
Why does his school
his school
cost?
cost 1000 rupees?
इसमें तिकड़ी कौन है? तिकड़ी दिखाओ.
Why does
नहीं,
his
तिकड़ी में
school
वाई
cost?
नहीं आता, तिकड़ी में वाई नहीं आता,
Does-
तिकड़ी बताओ।
Does his
Does his
does
school cost?
Does cost
cost
Does his school
cost
His school
is
cost.
school cost
ओके, ये है तिकड़ी। तिकड़ी में होता है डस, फिर होता है सब्जेक्ट, फिर होता है V1।
subject V1
Got it everybody?
yes sir
ऑलराइट। अगर एक सवाल पूछे उसके स्कूल का पैसा 5,000 रुपए लगता है क्या, कैसे पूछेंगे?
Does his
Does
school
his
cost
school cost
5,000?
5,000?
Does his school cost 5,000?
Does his school cost 5,000 rupees?
वेरी गुड। डज हिज स्कूल कॉस्ट
Cost
5,000 रुपीज?
5,000.
जवाब दीजिए।
No.
yes
No, it
No,
doesn't.
it
doesn't.
doesn't. No,
दिमाग-
it doesn't.
दिमाग में जा रहा है दोस्तों?
yes
मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को साथ में बना के रखूं। सब समझ रहे हैं?
yes sir.
द आंसर इज नो इट।
Doesn't.
Doesn't.
और एक
No,
रिक्वेस्ट है,
doesn't.
अगर आपके आसपास लोग नॉइज कर रहे हैं, डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, अनम्यूट ही मत करिए। इफ यू हैव पीपल हु आर शाउटिंग अराउंड यू, ओके, anybody is speaking around you, please don't unmute, because we don't want to hear other people. We only want to hear the students, right? Okay, everybody. Shall we continue?
Yes.
His school cost 1,000 rupees a year. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. Can we repeat? This is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. Repeat.
this
This is too
children
expensive for many children in Babar's
Babar's
village.
This is too expensive.
this is too expensive
expensive
For many children in Babar's village.
Okay, give me a second.
This is too expensive
Give me a
for
second.
Bhavani.
Hello, रुकाइए। Okay, everybody. So this is too expensive. First focus is on this. This means what?
Fees.
His school. His school. School fee.
His school.
This refers to
School
what,
fee.
dear students?
His school fee.
Okay, I will say very good answer, everybody. This means 1,000 rupees a year. 1,000 rupees a year. This
year.
means
1,000
1,000
a year.
1,000 rupees
1,000 rupees a year. Okay,
yes yes
1,000 rupees a year. Yeah, very good. 1,000 rupees a year is too expensive. This is too expensive. 1,000 rupees a year is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. Now, what is the difference between too expensive and very expensive?
too expensive
Very
जरूरत से
good.
ज्यादा
Very
Sir,
good.
very expensive means बहुत ज्यादा और too expensive means थोड़ा से ज्यादा.
too much
Very funny answer,
बहुत ज्यादा
Apurva. Very funny. This is what happens. Okay. Too expensive means you cannot afford. Too expensive means
you cannot
You
afford.
cannot.
मुझसे हो ही नहीं सकता.
afford.
Too expensive. Very expensive means हाँ बहुत महंगा है, लेकिन ये नहीं कह रहा कि आपसे होगा कि नहीं होगा. Too expensive means आप नहीं कर सकते.
जरूरत से
आपने
ज्यादा
Okay, a question is very hard, तो बहुत मुश्किल है, ठीक है. But when a question is too hard, तो
it is
नहीं
not
होगा.
too
possible
expensive नहीं हो
आपसे
सकता
होगा ही नहीं.
I can't.
फिर वो आपसे
होगा ही
नहीं
नहीं
होगा
होगा ही नहीं. You can't do it. Understand? So batao, this is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. It means most children in Babar's village come from a rich family or a poor family.
A poor
Poor
family.
family.
From poor
Poor
family.
family.
Most students in Babar's village come from poor
Poor
families.
Poor family.
Poor
because
family.
because for them 1,000 rupees a year
Good evening,
is
sir.
too expensive, right? Hey Kashif,
Poor
1,000
family.
rupees is 1,000 rupees a year is too expensive. 1,000 rupees a month, no, 1,000 rupees a
1,000
year
rupees is
is too
Yeah.
expensive. It means those children come from
poor
Babar
family.
poor
village.
families. They come
Okay.
from poor families, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But they want to learn.
Yes.
But they want to learn.
Yes.
They can't pay the fee, 1,000 rupees a year. This is
Mm.
too expensive. The difference between too expensive and very expensive is bahut महंगा, but too expensive means you cannot afford.
Cannot afford.
You cannot afford.
Not afford.
Guys, think about it. You went to buy shoes, okay? Your budget was 600 rupees, okay? And the
Yes.
shopkeeper shows you 700 rupees shoes. Then you borrow 100 rupees from your friend and you buy the 700 rupees shoes. Yes, they're expensive, very expensive for you,
Yes.
no doubt. You borrowed some money from your friends. But imagine the shopkeeper shows you 6,000 rupees shoes. Now, what will you say about those shoes?
Too expensive.
This is too
Those shoes are too expensive for you, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
sir.
When your budget is 600 and the shopkeeper is showing you 6,000 rupees shoes, say, oh, too expensive.
No,
No, I
too
can't
expensive.
afford them.
Co-
So
I can't
basically, when you
afford.
say too expensive, you're saying I can't afford them. Okay. I hope you understand.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So very expensive is महंगा, बहुत महंगा. But too expensive means you cannot afford, as simple as
Afford.
that. Afford, no, afford. I'm
Afford.
saying,
Afford.
Chiku,
Aff-
Chiku.
Afford.
I am saying afford. You have to copy my rhythm. You cannot say it in your way. Afford, I'm saying, not afford. I'm saying afford.
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 Now you are,
Afford.
now you are pronouncing it correctly. Okay.
Afford.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Everybody, this is too expensive. What is too expensive? 1,000 rupees a year is too expensive for many children in Babar's village. But they want to learn. Who wants to learn? They refers to who?
The children.
Children.
Now, don't say children. Don't say children. They
Students.
refers to who?
Village.
Village
Babar's
children.
village children.
Let
Babar's
me
village
help
children.
you. Let me help you. Imtiaz beta, today your mic is a bit noisy, I think.
Yes, sir.
They refers to
Babar's village.
Babar's village children.
no, it's not your mic, Imtiaz. It's not your mic. It's somebody else's mic. I have to figure it out. Okay, you can unmute yourself. No problems, Imtiaz. You can talk. It's not your mic. Okay, I was saying they refers to. When I said they refers to, some people said children. I will not allow you to say children because when you say children, children means children in general. Bache, bas bache. But here, when I say they refers to who, then you should say they,
Babar's
the
village
children in Babar's village. The children
in Babar's
In
village.
Babar's village. The children in Babar's village.
the children in Babar's
In
village
Babar's village.
The children in Babar's village.
who want to go to school, but they can't pay the fee,
Yes.
right?
Who want to learn.
They
But
want to
they are-
learn. So when it is read, oh, Shabnam, it's your mic, Shabnam. Shabnam, your mic is catching the feedback. Okay. Are you using a different mic today, Shabnam? Are you using a different mic? I don't know if you can hear me. If you're using a different mic, maybe that's the reason. Okay. Let's see. Now there is no noise. Now there is no noise. It's fine, absolutely fine. Okay, everybody. So they want to learn. The children in Babar's village want to learn. Okay. Those children for whom this is too expensive, they want to learn. Why do we not say wants here, guys? Can you answer? Why are we saying they want to learn? Why not wants?
There are more children, sir.
No, no, no.
No, sir.
The answer is very basic.
Because they, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Because they, because
If the
of they.
subject is they, if the subject was he, she, it, then we would say wants. But
Wants.
because the
Yes.
subject is they,
Children.
there are
Want.
two groups of subjects, okay? He,
Yes.
she, it,
Yes.
I, you, we, they, okay? Remember that.
Yes.
They want to learn. So, Babar teaches them everything that he learns. Babar teaches them. Them refers to
Babar's in the children in Babar's village.
very good, Apurva, very good. Them refers to the children in Babar's village. Okay. Babar teaches them everything that he learns. Babar teaches them everything that he learns.
Learns.
Everybody? Babar
Yes.
teaches them everything that he learns. Now, let's make some
Babar
similar
teaches
sentences.
them.
Hmm.
Babar teaches them everything he learned.
Exactly, exactly. I eat everything my mother cooks. Repeat.
I
eat everything my mother cooks.
Everything my mother cooks.
Mother cook.
everything that my mother
cook.
I eat
My mother
everything
cooks.
my mother cook.
I
My mother
cook or my mother cooks?
My mother cooks.
I eat everything my
Cooks.
mother cooks. I eat
Yes.
everything my mother cooks.
My mother cooks.
Yeah, I eat everything my mother cooks. Okay. Another sentence. I like everything you teach.
Yes, sir. I like
Like
everything.
everything you teach.
I like
Yes.
everything you teach. Yes,
Sir, I note down everything
you
you
teach.
teach.
Hey, super sentence, Apurva. Very good. Apurva notes down everything I teach, guys. Okay?
I understand
Yes.
everything.
I was waiting for this sentence, Adib. Super. Very well done, boy. Repeat.
I understand everything which you teach.
Everything. Which हटा देना बेटा. Which नहीं था बेटा. मेरे बच्चा. Which is not here.
That you teach.
Yes. There is a. पता है दोस्तों, आपने अभी जो गलती करी अदीब ने, उससे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. वहां which डाल देंगे और वो एरर है, पता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
It's a
Yes.
grammatical error. Try again. The correct one. Adib understands everything that I teach. Okay?
Yes.
I
Yes.
love everything Katrina wears in films. I love everything Katrina wears in films. Not for myself. I just like everything she wears. Okay. Babar teaches them everything that he learns. The police catch a person. They think he knows about the crime, okay, and the criminal, okay? So they hang him upside down, okay? And they hit him a few times and they say, tell us. Come on,
Tell us
continue.
everything which you know.
फिर गलती करी अपूर्वा ने भी.
That you
That
know.
you know.
अरे
That you
know.
दोस्तों,
Sorry,
थोड़ा
sir.
फोकस मेंटेन करो.
Tell everything that you know.
Yes, tell us everything that you know. Okay,
Yes.
fine. All right. Sometimes we say, मेरे पास जो भी था मैंने सब तुम्हें दे दिया. Filmy dialogue. Say it in English, everyone.
I give you everything that I have.
That I have.
अच्छा, ये थोड़ा सा मैंने चेंज करा था, अगर गौर करो, मेरे पास जो कुछ भी था मैंने तुम्हें दे दिया, सब पास्ट टेंस हो गया, नहीं? गौर करो,
I
Yes, sir.
yes
gave
sir.
you,
I gave you
Yes.
everything
I
that
gave
I had.
everything.
I
I
had.
gave
That I
everything
have.
that I have.
I gave you. Had.
That I
I
had.
gave you.
exactly. I gave you everything that I had,
Yes, sir, I
right?
gave you everything.
No, you didn't do that. नहीं, ऐसा आपने
Actual
नहीं
had.
किया शबनम, ऐसा मत बोलिए. You didn't give me
I
everything
gave
you had.
everything that I had.
No, Deep, you didn't do that. You didn't give me everything you had, okay? All right. Fine. All right. I hope you understand this. Babar teaches them everything that he learns. Now, let's continue. More and
Sir,
more.
my father do everything that possible to him for my study.
Don't push yourself too much, Apurva. Don't push yourself too much. Hold on. This is not our last class, Apurva, okay? Now you will go into those territories where you will make a lot of mistakes, and I cannot allow you that. So
Sir,
keep, yes.
सर कैसे बोलेंगे इसको कि मेरे पापा ने वो सब कुछ किया जितना वो मेरे पढ़ाने के लिए कर सकते थे.
My father did everything
My
that
father
he
did
could do.
everything.
That he could do.
Yes.
मैं पढ़ाऊंगा unit 5 आने दो. Let me reach unit
My
5.
father did.
In this course, you will have answers to all your confusions, Apurva. Don't worry, okay? You are
Okay.
doing fine. You are doing fine. Absolutely fine. Yeah, my father did everything that he could do. अच्छा, चलो अब आ ही गए वहां तो बोलो, सर जो भी हो सकता है वो सब करते हैं हम लोगों के लिए, सिखाने के लिए. कैसे बोलेंगे? Sir does.
Sir did
नहीं,
everything.
did नहीं,
Did
Apurva.
everything.
करते हैं.
Sir does everything
Does everything.
That
Sir
he
does
can.
everything
that he can.
That he can, right? To teach us, to help us, right?
Try to teach us.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. He does
Sir-
everything.
Sir does everything that he can teach us.
Okay, चलिए ठीक है. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. ज्यादा अगर stretch करने में गलतियां होती हैं तो it's only because you're, अच्छा ऐसा समझो ना, आप बहुत अच्छे टेक्निक से एक्सरसाइज करते हो, लेकिन वेट बढ़ा दो तो दिक्कत हो जाती है. टेक्निक की नहीं, आर्म्स उतने स्ट्रांग नहीं है. So let's wait for some time. Slowly and slowly your understanding will grow, and then you guys will not
Yes,
make a
sir.
lot of mistakes that you're making right now. Your understanding will grow with time, and you will take care of a lot of mistakes in the future on your own without any help from me. You guys will grow. That is what I'm waiting for. Now, let me give you another sentence, okay? If somebody wants to say, मैं हर वो कुछ करता हूं जो कर सकता हूं तुम्हें खुश रखने के लिए, लेकिन तुम खुश नहीं होती हो.
This is very tough.
I
for
can.
me.
ना, it's
I
very
can
easy.
do everything.
I do,
can
I
do
do, मैं
every-
करता हूं, I do.
I do
I do
everything which
do
I
everything that I can.
which you can.
Yes,
I
Which
do
कहाँ से?
everything
अपूर्वा,
that
अपूर्वा कहाँ चले जा रहे हो?
I can.
Which कहाँ से है? Which कब आया?
That
कब
you
आया?
can.
Please,
I
Apurva,
do-
be
I do
careful.
I do
I
everything
do
that I can
everything I can.
To keep you
I-
happy.
I do
I
to keep
I
you
do
I
happy.
can
sir,
I
I
can
do-
do
that
I can do everything that
Hold on, everybody.
Sir,
Hold
I
on.
do everything that I can
To keep
sir,
you
I
happy.
do
to keep
I do
you
everything
happy.
that I can do.
I do everything that I can keep you happy.
To keep you happy. But
you-
you are never happy.
but you never have.
But you
But you
never happy.
are. But you are never happy, or you never
But you
happy,
are not-
guys.
But you
But you
You
never
are never
happy, or
happy.
you are
But
never
you
happy.
are
Think
never-
about it.
You are never happy.
You
हो.
never happy.
You
But
never
are
happy.
never happy.
No, no,
You
no,
never
no,
happy.
no,
You are
no,
never
no.
happy.
You are never happy.
You never happy.
But you are-
Yes.
No,
are-
no, Shabnam, no. You never happy.
No,
What
you
is the
never
verb?
happy.
What is the verb? What is the verb? You never happy. What is the verb?
That खुश
You are
रहते
never
हो
happy.
तो
आप शबनम बताइए, you never happy में verb क्या है? What is the verb, शबनम? You never happy में verb क्या
verb
है?
V1
क्या है verb?
new
बताइए कौन सा verb?
happy
Happy is an
Happy, sir.
adjective, Shabnam. Happy is an adjective.
yes sir adjective yes,
Yes,
sir
sir.
yes sir
तो फिर verb क्या
और
है?
this is wrong
Where is the
sentence.
verb?
Verb नहीं है.
तो वर्ब नहीं है, कैसे
हाँ,
नहीं होगा?
use.
बी वर्ब लगाओ
You are
एडजेक्टिव के
चाहिए, you
साथ।
are happy.
R चाहिए ना सर इसमें।
Sir,
You are
I
never
do
happy.
everything
You
that
get
I
why you
can
have
to
the
keep you
video.
happy, but you are never happy.
अच्छा, समझ में आई बात आपको? महसूस हुआ?
you are never-
महसूस करो, ओके?
Can you
सर
keep
ये
your
सेंटेंस
happy?
भी तो हो
Keep.
सकता है कि I do everything that makes you happy, but you don't get happy.
That makes.
सॉरी Zainab,
yes,
you are not
don't
getting my
make it.
words. I'm saying मैं वो जो भी कर सकता हूँ करता हूँ तुम्हें खुश करने के लिए। तुम खुश
Okay,
नहीं
sir.
होती।
मैं जो भी कर सकता
Ye-
हूँ.
I do everything that I can,
Everything
do
that I
everything
can do.
but
I can, but
you are never
You are
happy.
not.
I do
You are
everything
Can
that
you
I
keep
can
happy?
to make you happy, to keep you happy,
Can do. Yes, sir. Keep you
but
happy. I can keep you happy.
but you're never happy.
You are never happy.
No?
But
You never
हाँ,
happy.
नहीं होएगा.
You never happy कोई sentence है संयोगिता मैम? You never happy sentence है?
नहीं
पहले ये
नहीं,
बताइए।
you are never happy.
Please understand संयोगिता मैम, okay?
Yes. I
Yeah.
understand.
अच्छा चलो दोस्तों, you are
You are
happy से
never
एक सबसे छोटा sentence बनाओ। You are happy से सबसे छोटा sentence. What is the smallest sentence with you and happy? बोलो।
you are happy.
You
आप खुश
and
हैं।
happy.
Exactly.
आप खुश हो?
You are happy. हमेशा be verb होता है
Never
वहाँ, right?
happy.
अब
हाँ,
बोलो,
yes.
अब बोलो, never लगा दो।
You are never happy.
You are never happy.
I hope you understand. That was a
Yes, sir.
blunder. That was a blunder when you guys said you never happy.
You are never happy.
Exactly. You are never happy. Okay. That was a huge mistake. क्योंकि
Huge
आप,
mistake.
it was a huge mistake because you would never expect कि आप you और happy वाले words में ऐसे sentence में आप गलती कर सकते, लेकिन किया था आप लोगों ने, confidence के साथ गलत बोल रहे थे। You never happy। ये कोई English नहीं है दोस्तों।
But I don't, sir.
Yes,
I
sir. Yes,
don't.
sir.
नहीं sir, I
We
asked
are wrong in sentence.
at first you are happy. You are never
Yes.
happy.
You are never happy. Okay.
You are happy. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Babar teaches them everything that he learns.
Baba teaches then.
Baba teaches them that he learns.
Everything that he learns. अब बोलो हमको जो भी आप सिखाते सब याद रहता है।
I learn
Baba
everything.
teaches them
I
everything.
remember.
I remember everything.
which you
Everything
I remember
That
all
you
that
I
you
teach.
teach.
remember
That you teach.
all
that you teach.
things
That you
Hmm.
teach.
I
Very
remember
good.
everything that you teach.
that you
Very
teach
good.
us.
Yes. Very good.
I remembered all things that you teach us.
इसमें remembered नहीं चाहिए शबनम मैम।
Remember.
शबनम you
Remember.
should use I remember मुझे याद रहता है, मुझे याद
Yes, sir.
है।
Remember. No,
Yes.
remember.
No, remember,
Yes.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Teach होगा
Remember.
चाहिए teaches.
Teach होगा.
आप
That
सोचो।
you
That
You,
teach.
I,
that
you,
you
he,
teach
they।
us.
You they के साथ teach.
Teach. Yes,
दो
sir. You teach
कैटेगरी है,
us.
दो कैटेगरी है। I, you, he,
Yeah,
they,
yeah,
he,
teach.
she, it. Okay?
Yes.
I remember everything that you teach.
You teach.
Okay. अब बोलो मुझे हर वो चीज याद नहीं रहती जो मैं पढ़ता हूँ।
Everything is not remembered that we learn.
Shabnam, where are you going? Everything
Sir,
not
I
remembered.
do.
I. Sentence should start with
I don't
I.
I do
remember
not.
I
that you teach.
everything
That you teach.
I
That
नहीं.
I
मुझे नहीं
learn.
रहता. Oh, I
I
don't.
learn.
Yes, sir.
Come on, everybody.
I don't
I
remember
don't remember everything that I
I
learned.
don't remember
everything.
everything that I learned.
Everything
Very
that
good.
I learned.
I don't remember everything that I learned. अब अगर ग्रुप में थोड़ी
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस हो जाए इन सब सेंटेंसेस की जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मजा आ जाएगा guys. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please, everybody write a couple of sentences, simple sentences, not very lengthy sentences. Okay? Now let's move on. More and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. So Babar's friends help him teach. More and more children want to learn. What does it mean? More and more children want to learn.
ज्यादातर बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा
ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे।
More and more children want to learn. What
ज्यादा
does it
से
mean?
ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे।
पढ़ना चाहते थे, सीखना चाहते थे।
Hmm. ये
पढ़ना
ज्यादा से ज्यादा
सीखना
मतलब
ज्यादा
क्या होता
बच्चे
है?
कुछ ज्यादा सीखना चाहते थे सर, ये हो सकता है।
More and more children want to learn.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा।
सर जितना बाबर जानता था ना और वो पढ़ाते थे उतना
उससे ज्यादा।
उसे ज्यादा जानना चाहता था वो।
यस सर।
भाई साहब कहाँ से लाए हो इतनी समझ आप लोग? अमित स्माइल कर रहा है, इसको समझ में आ रहा है ये लोग कितना गलत बोल रहे हैं, ये लोग कितना गलत बोल रहे हैं,
मोर
अमित को
एंड मोर
एहसास हो
मतलब
रहा है।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे,
More
सीखना
and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. पहले ये बता दो मुझे, more and more किसके लिए? learn के लिए कि children के लिए?
चिल्ड्रन के लिए।
तो तुम लोग तो learn के लिए
Children
बता
के
रहे हो कि जो बाबर
Children
जानता है
के
उससे
लिए।
ज्यादा ये बोल। Come on guys, control your imagination a little bit. You guys are going wild with your imagination. You are saying anything without
जितने
any
बच्चे
logic.
को
आपने ये
जितने
क्यों नहीं
बच्चे
कहा
को
कि सर इसमें चिकन चिली बनाया है बच्चों ने और वो लंच में खा रहे हैं? ये भी बोल देते हैं।
जितने बच्चे को वो पढ़ाते थे उससे कहीं ज्यादा बच्चा और पढ़ना चाहते थे।
फिर कहाँ ऐसा लिखा है? More and more children want to learn.
Children wants to learn.
Okay, Babar teaches them everything that he learns. More and more children want to learn. More and more children.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा
More and more children. More and more
Want
children
to learn.
want to learn.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना
ज्यादातर बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे।
Yes, Apurva. More and more children want to learn.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते थे।
बाबर ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे को पढ़ाना चाहता था।
No, 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 no. बाबर की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही है. More and more children want to learn. Okay. You know, more and more children want to learn. Now, you guys are saying ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते हैं. When I say ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे, what does that mean? मैं बताता हूँ. आपने देखा more and more 2 बार, तो आपने हिंदी में भी 2 बार लगा दिया ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. ठीक है? चलिए, ठीक है.
ज्यादातर बच्चे
अधिक से अधिक सीखना चाहते हैं।
नहीं, मैं लेके आता हूँ सही जगह आपको. अब टेंशन ना लो. Just relax, okay, everybody, and listen to me very carefully. More and more means the number is increasing. More and
Yes, sir.
more means the number is increasing.
Increasing.
More and more means
The number of increasing.
the number is increasing.
Increase. The number
Hold on,
is
hold on.
increasing.
दिन ब दिन
The bird. Okay. All right. The more and more children want to learn. More and more children want to learn. More and more means the number is increasing. The number of the children is increasing. All right. More and more children want to learn means the number of the children is increasing. Is that okay? It
Yes, sir.
means
Yes.
it
Yes, sir.
means
दिन
earlier.
प्रतिदिन बच्चे बढ़ते जा रहे थे।
Exactly, Sanyogita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
More and more children want to learn. The number of the children is increasing.
Increasing.
All right. More
Yes.
and more children want to learn. Okay, tell me. You know, women, the number of women who want to do a job is increasing or decreasing? The number of women who want to do a job.
Increasing, sir.
Increasing.
The
Increasing.
number of those
Increasing.
women who want to do a job is increasing.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Increasing.
Now I will
Is
say
increasing.
more and more women want to get a job. Repeat.
Yes,
More
more
and more
and
women
more
More and
women
more women want to
want to
get
get a job.
want
job.
More and more women want to get a
Women
job.
more and more women want to get a job.
More very good job. More
Okay.
and more women want to get a job.
Now, another. The number of girls who want to go to school, okay? The number of, Amit, is it noise from your side or Afreen side? Afreen, there are people speaking around you, Afreen. You have to mute yourself, beta. Sorry. Yeah, Amit, you're fine. You're fine. It was Afreen side. Okay. So I was just gonna say, but Amit, your mic is noisy in a different way. Your mic, your wire is moving, and that's why it is noisy. Okay. So hold your mic at one place, and it won't be noisy, I think. Guys, the number of the girls who want to go to school is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
How do we use this more and more to say this?
More and more girls
more
want to
girls,
go
More
to
and
school.
more girls want to go to school.
More and more girls want to go to school.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, the number of young people who want to choose their own partner is increasing or decreasing? The number of
Yes,
those young
increasing.
people who want to choose their own
Increasing,
partner,
sir.
they don't want to accept their parents' choice. They want to choose their own partner. Then their
Yes,
number is
sir.
increasing. How do we
Increasing.
say?
Yes,
How
sir.
do we say that?
More and more
Young
young
people
More
people
young
want
people
to
want to
get
choose
want to
choose
choose
their own
Your
partner.
own
their
partner.
own
Yes, sir.
partner.
More
Yes, sir.
and more young people want to choose their own life
choose
partner, right?
the more
More and
Yes,
more
sir.
young.
more and more young people want to choose your own partner.
Their own, not your, their
their own
There.
partner.
Yes, sir.
own partner, right? Their own partner. Okay, I have a question. More and more girls are going on Instagram to make reels. Isn't it true?
Yes, sir. This
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
More and more girls are going on Instagram,
going on
right?
Instagram.
To make reels. So the number
Yes,
of
sir.
those girls is increasing.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so we use more and more to talk about
More,
the number or the quantity that is increasing. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now tell me,
More and more people wants
more and more people want to
to
Going
wants to make reel
Make
on Instagram.
on Instagram.
Yes, sir. More and more
he
people wants.
came and asked me if he can, and I said, all right, if
More
you
and
guys
more
think it
girls
is right
going
time,
on
then you can.
Instagram.
Tell him that I didn't call him to say this. He came and asked me for the permission. I said, okay, if you guys think, then fine. Okay, fine. Guys, sorry for the interruption. And let's continue. More and
more
more.
and more people wants to make a reel on Instagram.
Okay, dear students, tell me one thing. The number of young boys and girls who are taking drugs is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing, sir.
How do we say that?
More and more.
More and more
More and
girls and
more
boys want
take
to
drugs.
taking drugs.
More and more children, young boys and girls,
Yes, sir. More
sir.
and more children taking drugs
Young and girls.
Yes, sir.
right,
is
are,
decreasing.
are becoming
It's increasing.
addicted to
Increasing.
They're
drugs,
becoming addicted.
right?
Yes,
More
sir.
and more young boys and girls are becoming addicted to.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Let's continue. More and more children want to learn. Now you understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Apurva, you understand? More and more means what?
yes, sir.
कितना नजदीक थे आप लोग जब गेस मार रहे थे तो? Guess मार रहे थे बहुत
Very
भयानक
fast, huh?
wild guess. It was totally wild guess. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा तो wild guess मतलब समझ में आया थोड़ा सा?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Wild guess नजदीक होता है सही आंसर के बहुत दूर होता है?
बहुत दूर.
बहुत
Okay.
दूर.
Okay. Or more and more children want to learn. Amit, your mic is noisy. More and more children want to learn. So Babar's friends help him teach. Babar alone cannot teach because more and more children want to learn. You know, the number of the children is increasing. So Babar's friends help him teach.
Yes, Baba.
He alone cannot teach them. Okay. So Babar's friends help him teach. In Hindi,
बाबर के दोस्त उसकी मदद करते थे
पढ़ाने में
मदद करते हैं. His friends help him. मदद करते हैं. किस चीज में मदद करते हैं?
पढ़ाने में
मैं भी मदद करता हूँ ना आपकी?
Yes,
मतलब क्या करने में?
you help them in learning.
पढ़ाने में सीखने में
you help
सामने से सेंटेंस लिखा पूर्वा, फिर भी उलट पलट कर बेटा. सामने लिखा है.
you help
Us.
You help us to learn English.
Help us to learn English.
you help us to learn
Many-
English. Yes, you help us to learn English. Yes,
Read the sentence here.
you help.
Babar's friends help him teach.
When we confuse any sentence, you cleared our dots.
That's what I do. That's my job. Babar's friends help him teach. यहाँ टू दिख रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
फिर क्यों आपने लगाया पता है? आपको अब बचपन से अब तक क्या आते थे? आप गलत नहीं हो. ये एकमात्र ऐसा केस है जहां टू लगाना भी सही है और ना लगाना भी सही है. बाकी हर जगह या तो टू लगाओगे तो सही होगे या तो नहीं लगाओगे तो सही होगे. लेकिन you guys didn't learn from this sentence. That's my concern. आप सामने से नहीं सीखे. Babar's friends help him teach. आप बोलो sir, you help us learn English.
You help us
Learn English.
You help us to learn
Yes,
English.
टू जैनब
help
टू तो
us.
नहीं लिखा है. तुमने कैसे बोला? वहां देखो.
You
किताब से
help
आप
us
सीख रहे हो.
learn English. You help us learn English.
देखो यहाँ पर कितना अच्छा लिखा है. Babar's friends help him teach. पढ़ाने में के लिए क्या लिखा है? सिर्फ टीच. तो आप बोलोगे सर आप हमारी मदद करते हो सीखने में, तो क्या लिखोगे सीखने में के लिए?
You help us to learn English. You help us learn English.
कितना आसान है सही था मैम, राइट?
Yes, sir.
You
yes,
help
sir.
us learn English.
Yeah, you help us learn English.
मेरे पापा मम्मी की मदद करते हैं खाना बनाने में.
हाँ.
My father
My father helped my mother
Food. My father helps
My mother helps my mother cooks food.
mother cook food.
बहुत अच्छे संयुक्ता मैम. शबनम आपने गलती करी. यहाँ देखो पढ़ाने में का इंग्लिश क्या लिखा है? टीच. तो खाना बनाने में का इंग्लिश क्या होना चाहिए? इस पैटर्न पे, इस पैटर्न पे. My father helps my mother cook.
It's my mother cook food.
अच्छा,
Oh,
cook के साथ
no.
food नहीं लगाते.
Food नहीं.
We never
Yes,
use
sir,
food.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Cook. Yes, sir.
You
You
help
can.
us. You help us
Mother
develop.
helps my mother cook.
Very good. Yes, Apurva, your sentence was good. Carry on.
You
Repeat.
help us develop critical thinking.
Very nice. You help us develop critical thinking. Fantastic sentence. Well done. आप हमारी
My
मदद
sister
करते हैं.
helps me learn English.
Very good, Zainab. Very good. Your sister helps you learn English. Very good. Which sister, Zainab? Rahat or Rashmi?
Rahat.
Rahat. So you told me about your sister being pregnant. Who? Zainab or Rashmi?
Rahat.
Sorry. My bad. Zainab, I'm saying. Rahat, Rashmi. Rahat.
Rahat.
It's the first child, right?
No, sir. Second.
Second child. Okay. Where is she now, Rahat?
She is now at home.
In Bihar Sharif.
Yes, sir.
Oh, lovely. Great. You know, Zainab, I have not been able to talk to her for such a long time.
Yes, sir.
It has been very hard for me because of all the things, but I'm very glad that her life has taken a good turn now, you know.
Yes,
and things
sir.
are going great. Absolutely. Okay. Maybe someday I will visit. When I have the courage to see her, I will come and see her. Maybe when something,
Please, sir, please.
yeah, when she's happy, okay? Maybe I will
She is
wait,
happy, sir.
but there should be a good occasion, maybe when she has the baby.
Yes, sir.
When is the due day? When is the doctor saying the due day for the baby? When is the
Sir,
due?
baby हो गया है उसको.
Oh, okay. The baby. Oh, that's great. Now it is a good time to
Yes,
see
sir.
her.
That's
I will,
why, sir, I am busy.
yes, yes, yes. I'm definitely coming, Zainab. I'm coming with
Yeah,
my
sir,
wife.
please.
I will come with my
Please.
wife. I mean, Rahat was such a close student, such a close student. And guys, you don't know, her life has been very, very, I will say it's like a roller coaster, She has had some really big ups and downs in her life, A very young girl, Zainab's elder sister. She's so cute and everything. Okay, Zainab, good news. I'm happy to hear that she has become a mother for the second time now. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I'm coming to see her then. Okay. So help somebody do something. Zainab's sister, Rahat, helps her learn English. Guys, carry on. Make some more sentences. Who helps who do what? मैं बोलूं?
Yes, sir.
आप मदद करते हो अपने cousins के या nephews के nieces के homework करने में, right? How do you say that?
I help
My
my niece
my niece.
My
do
niece
homework.
and
Do homework.
No, in कहाँ? In कहाँ? No in. No in. Take a look.
Homework.
I help my niece
I help
Homework.
my
Complete homework.
niece
Do homework, Shabnam,
do
not complete homework.
नहीं.
Do
I
homework.
help
Do
my
homework.
niece do
My
homework.
niece
Perfect.
do homework.
I help my niece do homework.
Exactly.
I help my
I help
friend
my
guide
neighbor
me.
do project work.
I help
Very
my
good, Imtiaz.
do homework.
Yeah, everybody. Good job. Super. Oh, I can see the baby. It's the first child. Zainab, Rahat's first child, right?
Yes, sir.
The daughter. Okay,
Say hi.
lovely. Hello. How old is she?
She is 1.5.
1.5-year-old. Right. Oh, good.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, yeah. मैं हेल्प करता हूँ अपनी वाइफ की घर साफ करने में. Okay? I help my wife.
My wife.
I help my mother.
I help my mother to
Help my
cleaning
mother
the room.
cook.
Clean.
कुछ भी करने में तो वो verb बोल देंगे हो जाएगा, right? जो
Yes,
करने
sir.
में
I
मदद
help
करते हो
my
बोल देना.
mother cook.
Very good. I help my mother clean the house.
I help my mother
Clean the house.
Clean the house.
clean the house.
अब सुनो. Standard expression सुनो. Do the cleaning, do the cooking. Expression use करो, okay? My father helps my mom do the cooking.
Do the cooking.
Do the cooking मतलब खाना बनाना, okay? Do the cleaning मतलब
My fiance
सफाई
helped
करना.
me. My fiance helped me learn new things about business.
very good, Apurva. Fantastic sentence. Okay, well done. So Babar's friends help him teach. The classes
Sir, I
are.
will come in 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure, Zeba. The classes are in bamboo huts. The classes are in bamboo huts.
Bamboo huts. Yes.
Bamboo
Yeah, the
huts.
classes are in bamboo huts, guys. But sometimes they sit outdoors. Yeah, the classes are in bamboo huts, but sometimes they sit outdoors. The classes are in bamboo huts. Yes, Kashif. Do you need to go, Kashif? Yeah. The classes are in bamboo huts. Everybody knows bamboo huts, right?
Yes, sir.
Baas ki jhopdiyan, right? The classes are in
Yeah.
bamboo huts.
Yes, sir.
But sometimes they sit outdoors. Outdoors. Notice the spelling.
Outdoors.
Look at the spelling. Outdoors.
कुछ बाहर भी बैठ
Sometimes they sit outdoors.
कभी वो बाहर भी बैठते थे.
Exactly. Sometimes they sit outdoors. Okay. Children in small towns and villages play outdoors.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Small
sir.
children
Yes.
play outdoors. But in big cities, children don't play outdoors. Mainly they play at
Yes, sir.
indoors, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In villages, some people sleep outdoors too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
In the village.
Yeah, but in
We see in the
cities,
village, yes,
In
sir.
no.
cities, the peoples are not sit
People
outdoors.
don't
No
sleep.
anyone-
Sanyogita ma'am, are not sleep or don't sleep?
Don't
sleep.
sleep.
Don't sleep.
Don't sleep in outdoors.
Don't sleep outdoors, okay? Grown-up girls don't play outdoors, do they? Grown-up
Yes,
girls, grown-up
Yes,
girls
sir.
don't play outdoors. Grown-up girls means you understand, right? Badi ladkiyan, okay?
ये होती लड़कियां.
Yeah, grown-up girls, okay? They don't play outdoors. And women don't sleep outdoors anywhere, either in villages or in towns. They don't sleep outdoors. Okay, do you spend a lot of time outdoors?
No, sir.
No, I
No,
don't.
sir. No, sir. No, I don't.
Hmm. I don't either. I don't spend much time outdoors.
I
Some-
spend all time outdoors.
Imtiaz spends all his time outdoors.
I
Okay.
spend all my time indoors.
That's
The-
why he is a boy.
because he's a boy. Because he's a boy. But Adeep doesn't spend his time outdoors. Sleep outdoors, sit outdoors, play outdoors, spend your time outdoors. Okay. Now, the school is free and now has a name. The school is free. Which school? The school means
सर वो
बाबर
जहाँ
से
पढ़ाते
school.
थे जहाँ
the school where Babar
Yes.
teaches. The school where Babar teaches.
Yes,
There
sir.
are two schools in this text. Okay, one school where Babar goes to study, the private school.
Yes.
It costs 1,000 rupees a year, and there is
Yes.
another school
Yes, sir.
where Babar teaches.
Yes.
Yes.
That school is free.
Free.
The school is
Free.
free, and now has a name. Now has a
The
name.
Anand Shikshan.
Yes,
Anand
The
sir.
Shiksha
Anand
Niketan.
Shiksha Niketan School. And
Yes, sir.
Babar is the head teacher, guys. Babar is the head teacher.
Yes.
Busy days. Babar's days are very busy. His days are very busy. His days are busy or Babar is busy?
His days are
His days are busy.
It means Babar is not busy. His days are busy.
No, sir.
Babar
Babar is busy.
Babar is busy now.
Babar is busy, but the sentence says Babar's days are very busy.
Babar
Yes,
is busy.
yes, यही है. कुछ लोग ये सब चीजें जब ध्यान से नहीं गौर करते तो उनको लगता है ये गलत है, लेकिन नहीं. Babar's days are very busy means Babar is very busy during the day.
Babar.
Okay. My wife's mornings are very busy. अब समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes.
My
Yes,
wife's
sir.
mornings are very busy.
My mother's morning is also busy, sir.
Let's
Very
say that housewives' mornings are very
Okay.
busy,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mother.
right? My
She-
my my
She cooks for,
uh-huh,
she
mhm.
cooks for us. After that, she goes to school, sir.
Exactly, because she has a job as well. So her mornings are
Yes.
very busy. Okay. My evenings are very busy. I have classes
sir.
back to back. I start at 3:30 to 5, then I have just half an hour break, and then 5:30 to 7, and then 7 to 8:30. You see?
Wow.
So I
That's
am,
great, sir.
it means my evenings are very busy.
Busy.
Yeah. Are your Sundays busy?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes sir, no
Yes,
sir,
sir.
के आगे
My
बढ़े?
Sunday,
Yes,
my
sir.
Sunday is busy.
Yes, sir. My Sunday
My son is
and my Sunday are
my
very
Sunday
busy.
is
My Sundays are very busy.
a-
It means you are very busy on Sundays, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Because I washed all my clothes and
Wash your clothes. Yeah.
yes, sir, and do some household work along
Yes.
with my mom,
Yeah.
and also clean our bedrooms and arrange the things at a place.
Yeah. Right. Absolutely. So, guys, different people have different busy days. I would say, I think Shabnam's Fridays are very busy. You know, she
Yes,
has extra work on Friday.
yes,
My Sundays are absolutely free.
yes, sir.
My Sundays are totally free. Means
Sunday in Sunday, sir, evening time is so boring.
on Sunday, on Sunday, on
Yes, sir,
Sunday.
on Sunday.
Babar's days are very busy. अब समझ गए इसका मतलब, guys? Babar's days
Yes,
are
sir.
very busy. Okay. यहाँ कोई है, किसी को बनाते, रुको थोड़ा सा, देखे, रुको, wait. Aha. Noor's nights are very busy, huh? Noor's nights are very busy, guys. Noor's nights are very
Who's
busy.
next, sir?
Noor's.
Noors.
Yeah. Noor's nights are very busy.
How, sir?
He has lots of girlfriends to talk to.
No, sir.
His nights are very busy. Okay, did you understand? His nights are busy means he's very busy at night. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right.
Very busy at
Baba's
night.
days are very busy. He has no free time. 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 What's the difference between he doesn't have any free time and he has no free time? What's the difference? What's the difference? He has no free time. He doesn't have any free time. What's the difference? He doesn't have any friends. He has no friends. What's the difference? He doesn't have
He
any money.
doesn't.
He has no money.
सर उसके पास कभी मतलब रहा ही नहीं है तो doesn't बोलेंगे.
Yep.
He doesn't.
Nothing like that, Apurva. Nothing like that. Okay, guys, both of them have the same meaning. Okay. When you
Same meaning,
say
yes, sir.
exactly, when you say he has no free time, it sounds more emphatic. That's all. It sounds more emphatic. That's all. Emphatic क्या होता है? Emphatic जोर डालने वाला, ज्यादा जोरदार
वजनदार.
तरीके से बोला हुआ बात,
ज्यादा
वजन
बोल-
तरीके से. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he has no free time. I have no money.
He has
Do
no
you
free
hear
time.
me? मान लो किसने कहा अरे 200 दे, 500 दे दो यार, अरे 200 रुपए दे, अरे यार I'm saying I have no money.
I have
I
no
have no
money.
money. देख रहे हो कैसा आदमी बोल रहा है चिड़चिड़ा करके, I have no money. ये ज्यादा emphatic है किसके तुलना में? I don't have any money.
I don't have money.
I don't have any money. दोनों का मतलब आपके पास पैसा नहीं है. But when you
Yes,
say
sir.
I have no money, it sounds more emphatic. Don't worry. ये emphatic क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे महसूस करोगे. When you grow your understanding of English. देखो दो चीजें होती है, एक होती है इंफॉर्मेशन, एक होती है अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशन तो तुम लोगों ने बहुत इकट्ठा किया अब तक, कितने क्लासेस में पढ़े, स्कूल में पढ़े, कॉलेज में पढ़े, इंफॉर्मेशन खूब इकट्ठा किया है. But you now need to grow your understanding of English. Okay.
That's super, sir.
That's very important to grow your understanding. अपनी समझ बढ़ाना.
Okay.
Okay. Information collect करना is one thing, and grow your understanding or growing your understanding is totally different. So we are working on growing your understanding as well here. Okay. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning and helps his mother. देखना, helps his mother with the housework. He helps his mother
With the housework.
Yeah. अब इस पैटर्न को यूज करो और बोलो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ, है ना? बोलो सर, you help us.
You
You
help
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 us.
Help us.
आगे बोलो.
us.
You help us learn English.
वो तो पीछे वाला था, वो तो पुराने जमाने की बात हो गई.
वही होती
अब
चलो.
look at the new sentence. He helps his mother with the housework.
You help us with the new learn new things.
Okay, नहीं बोल सकते बेटा ऐसे, फिर से समझो. हाउसवर्क नाउन है, वर्ब नहीं. प्लीज समझो. हाउसवर्क क्या है? नाउन. ओके. और अभी तक जो तुमने सीखा था वो वर्ब था. लर्न, कुक, ओके, क्लीन. अंडरस्टैंड? तो अब बोलो सर, you help us
You
with
help
us
us
with English.
With English.
बात
with
खत्म.
learn English.
नहीं, लर्न वर्ब है, लर्न वर्ब है, नहीं बोल सकते. You help us with English.
Help us with English.
Help is
Help is a verb, definitely. You help.
yes sir.
आप बोलेंगे you help
with
us
English.
with English. यहाँ देखना क्या लिखा है. He helps his mother with the housework.
Yes.
अच्छा चलो. I help you with English, but I can also help you with maths.
Yes, sir.
I can help you with maths.
You can.
I can help you with maths. Sir, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में थोड़ा मदद करिएगा. कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
Can you help
me
Can you help
question
me
number
with
5?
question number 5?
Come on, everybody. Try again.
Can you help me
Can
with
you
question number
help
5?
me with
Can you help me with
Do you
question
Can you
number
help
5?
me
question
with
number
question
five?
number
Can you
5?
help
Very good. Very good. संयोगिता
Do
मैम, well
you-
done. दोनों
do
चीज सही
you-
है. दोनों बोल सकते हैं. Can you help me
Can you help me
do question number 5
question
or can you help
with
me with question number 5? दोनों ही सही है. Can you help me with question number 5? ये हो गया with वाला पैटर्न. और आप verb वाला पैटर्न बोल सकते हैं. Can you
Yes.
help me do question number 5?
Do question number 5, yes.
चलिए. Another last, okay. आप आपकी हेल्प चाहिए. आपको कुछ पैसे चाहिए और आप पूछ रहे हैं सर थोड़ा पैसा चाहिए था. कैसे बोलेंगे? Can you help me?
Can you help me with money?
Can you help me with some money? Can you help me with some money?
With some money? Yes. Sir, can
Go on, Anish.
Can you
help?
Sir, can you help me with money? With some money.
Yeah, absolutely great. Super. No problems, Anish. I have a special account to help my students, okay? I have 11 rupee 55 paise in that account.
Can you help me with some money?
Okay.
You doesn't have more money, sir.
You doesn't.
No,
you
no.
doesn't. चार
So you
वाले
don't have.
IUV
don't have.
like, right?
don't have
ध्यान रखना है दोस्तों, okay? He helps his mother with the housework. Do you help your dad with the shop work, with his shop?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away. At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away. देखो, written English में क्या होता है? एक sentence में बहुत सारे information है. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Time, method, distance, सब एक ही sentence में. At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away. But in spoken English, बातचीत में आप information को तोड़ देते हो. चलो, come on. Tell me
He
3
goes
different
out to school.
sentences.
He goes to school at 8 a.m.
He goes to school at 8. Very good. Next sentence.
He goes to school by bus.
He
He goes to school by bus. Next school.
His school is 3 miles away from her house.
Fantastic. Fantastic,
House.
Sanyuta ma'am. You hit 3 6s. Okay. He goes to school at 8 o'clock. He goes by
Yes.
bus. And his school is 3 miles
3
away,
miles
everybody.
away from his
सारे को एक साथ
house.
ले आइए. सबको एक साथ ले आइए. At 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock,
At
he
8
goes
o'clock,
by
he
bus to
goes
his
by bus
school 3 miles
to
away.
school 3 miles away.
School
3 miles away.
Okay. The school is 3 miles away. Patna is 90 kilometers away from Bihar Sharif.
Yes.
Right. Patna
Yes.
is 90 kilometers
90
away.
kilometers away.
What about?
From the Bihar Sharif.
Yes. Okay. He studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. He studies hard all day. He studies hard. दिन भर. अच्छा, तुमने वर्क हार्ड तो खूब सुना था, बहुत बार सुना. वर्क हार्ड, वर्क
Yes,
हार्ड.
sir.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
पढ़ रहे हो?
hard work?
Studies hard.
ये कभी सुना था तुमने पहले? You ever heard this
No,
before?
sir. No, sir.
बताओ इसकी हिंदी क्या हुई? He studies hard की
बड़ी
हिंदी क्या
मेहनत
करोगे?
करके पढ़ाई करता था.
और इसका सिंपल बोलिए जो आप बोलते हो रोजमर्रे की बातचीत में.
मेहनत करते
दिन भर मेहनत
बहुत
करता
मेहनत करता है
ऐसे आप
पढ़ाई
बोलते
में।
नहीं हो, ऐसे नहीं बोलते, जैसे घर में बात करते
अरे
हो
वो
वैसे
दिन
बताओ।
दिन
बहुत
रात
मेहनत करता है पढ़ाई में।
हाँ
ये सब सही है, पर बात कैसे करते हो? मन लगा के पढ़ता है, अरे मन पसेरी सब लगाओ, क्विंटल लगवाओ यार, कम ऑन।
सम्मान लगा के।
कितना आसान है, लेकिन बोलते नहीं हम लोग इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स पे अटक जाते हैं। ही स्टडीज हार्ड, मन लगा के पढ़ता है, बहुत मन लगा के पढ़ता है। आप जो बोल रहे थे सब सही है, ठीक है, मेहनत करता है पढ़ाई में, ये वो सब सही। ही स्टडीज हार्ड ऑल डे, पूरे दिन मन लगा के पढ़ता है।
until 4
until 4 in the afternoon। कितने बजे रोकता है पढ़ाई?
4 बजे।
4 बजे रोकता है 4 बजे। कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया?
Until।
उसके पहले वर्ब क्या है? ही स्टडीज। He studies hard all day until 4.
4 in the
He
afternoon।
studies
इसका
hard
मतलब,
all day until 4.
प्लीज लिसन, he starts studying at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9-10 बजे पढ़ना शुरू करता होगा, right? And he studies, सुनो गौर से, he studies, 11 o'clock he studies, 12 o'clock he studies, 1 o'clock he studies, 2 o'clock he studies, 3 o'clock he studies, 4 o'clock he stops. 4 o'clock he stops.
Stop।
So he studies hard all day until 4. बात समझ में आई?
yes
Yes sir।
अब आप मुझे बताओ, until यूज करके मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूं ना, until यूज करो सेंटेंस में, 7:30 बोलो।
You study।
I don't study, I teach.
Sorry
you
you teach।
Teach
hard
until
until
all day
until
until
7
7 o'clock
7 p.m.
7 o'clock in the evening.
6 to
Well
7
done,
o'clock.
well done. Everybody, for you, the sentence should be,
Teach.
sir, you teach us until 7. क्या बोलना था आपको?
you teach
Teach
us
us until 7।
Until
अब
7.
इसको हिंदी में बोलिए।
Teach us until 7.
आप 7 बजे तक पढ़ाते
7 बजे
हैं
पढ़ाते
सात बजे
हैं।
तक
इसका मतलब
पढ़ाते हैं।
6:30 बजे क्या कर रहे होते हैं?
पढ़ा रहे हैं
पढ़ा रहे होते
पौने
हैं।
7 बजे,
पढ़ा रहे
पढ़ा
6
रहे
बजे।
होते हैं।
पढ़ा रहे
पढ़ा
हैं।
रहे होते हैं।
Yes, I teach you until 7. I teach you until 7, right?
Yes sir।
अच्छा, अब बताओ, Babar studies until 4. He studies until
4 o'clock
very good. And he starts teaching at
5 o'clock.
8
5
o'clock।
o'clock. He starts teaching at
5
5 o'clock। 8
And
o'clock sir।
he
8
starts
o'clock।
teaching. He starts teaching. He starts.
5
He
o'clock।
starts teaching
7
at 5
back
o'clock.
to his school.
No, don't read. I am skipping that because we are nearing the end. हम लोग आखिर में पहुंचे, तो until को समझाना चाह रहा हूँ. He starts
Yes, sir।
teaching at 5 o'clock, right?
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir।
So he
Yes,
teaches.
Until 8 o'clock
Until 8
Until
o'clock.
8
Until
o'clock।
8 o'clock.
He teaches until.
Until 8
8
o'clock.
o'clock.
He teaches until 8 o'clock, right? बहुत अच्छे। अब आप ये मुझे बताओ कि आप कितने बजे तक, आप कैसे बताओगे सुबह 6 बजे उठते हो? आप until बोल के बताओ जरा, देखते हैं कितने। हाँ,
I get up
I
until
Until 6 o'clock.
ब्लंडर, आपने बड़ी
I
गलती
get
करी
up-
है दोस्तों। You
I
didn't
get up
understand
by
what I
Sir
thought.
sir I sleep at 6 o'clock।
क्या बात कर रही हो, क्या बात कर रही हो, एकदम गलत।
गलत।
सुनो मेरी बात, जब मैंने कहा,
I get up-
हाँ, please
I sleep
please listen.
until
We have 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes. You can
6
listen and learn. Okay, please listen. बेटा, जब आपने कहा he studies until 4, तो 3 बजे क्या कर रहा है? He studies. तो आप मुझे बताओ 2 बजे क्या कर रहा है? He is studying. 1 बजे क्या कर रहा है? Study. तो कहा ना he studies until 4. तो आप मुझे
I
बताओ।
sleep until 6 o'clock।
Fantastic,
No, no.
Zeba. Well done. क्या कहा ज़ेबा ने? She sleeps
sleep
until 6 o'clock. अब बताओ 5 बजे क्या कर रही होती है? सो रही होती है।
सो
4
रही
बजे
होती
क्या कर रही है? सो रही है, स्लीप कर रही है। तो she sleeps until 6 o'clock, मतलब
वो 6 बजे उठ जाती
6 बजे
6
तक
बजे उठ जाती
6
है।
बजे उठ जाती है, 6 बजे तक सोती है, राइट?
6 बजे
Yes, sir.
तक।
सर तो मैं भी तो यही बोली थी।
आप गेट अप बोल रहे थे, आपने कहा था आई गेट अप एट स्लीप एट 6 o'clock, ऐसा कहा था आपने। आप स्लीप एट लगा
Yes,
था
sir.
आपने, रिकॉर्डिंग
Until
देखी।
नहीं
Yes,
लगा
sir।
था बस।
तो समझ में आया थोड़ा थोड़ा?
Yes, sir. समझ
Yes,
गए।
sir.
अब क्या बोलना सही है? My father works until 9 p.m. और my father comes home until 9 p.m. Which is correct?
My
My
father
father
works until 9
comes
p.m.
Until 9 p.m.
Until 9
Works-
p.m. ठीक है,
works
अब बताओ,
until
my
9
father
p.m.
works until 9 p.m. और my father comes home until 9 p.m. Which is correct?
My
My
father
father
works
works
until 9 p.m.
क्योंकि
My
8
father
बजे वो
works
क्या कर रहे हैं?
until 9
वर्क कर रहे हैं। 7 बजे क्या कर रहे हैं? वर्क कर रहे हैं।
Work
8:30 बजे
कर
क्या
रहे
कर रहे हैं? वर्क कर रहे हैं। तो my
Workers.
father works until
9 p.m.
I hope you understand until
Nine.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
teach until 8:30.
Oh, very
You
good,
teach
Apurva.
until-
I teach until 8:30. Yes, that's right. I teach until 8:30, everybody. And remember, I want to give you homework for tomorrow. Okay, quickly, everybody. This is
Yes,
your
sir.
homework. Part 4. This is your homework. First of all, part 4 is your homework. I'm putting it in the group
Part
for you
4.
guys.
Part 4.
Exercise 4
Read about
is your
Babar
homework.
action. Correct the sentence.
Please share the page also, sir.
I think the page is already in the group. Yes, it is.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everybody, exercise 4 will be your homework. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, okay. I think that is all. Remember everything what I'm saying here. आप लोगों को इंग्लिश की जानकारी दी जाती है, इंग्लिश के बारे
Yes,
में
sir.
बात करी जाती है। मैं आपको इंग्लिश सिखा रहा हूँ, दोनों में फर्क है। रोटी बनाने के बारे में बताना और रोटी बनाना सिखाना दोनों अलग अलग
बनाना।
चीज होता है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
एक में बताया जाता है आटा मिलाते हैं, पानी मिलाते हैं, गोल करते हैं, और एक में करा जाता है साथ में, आप भी करो मैं भी
Practical,
करूं,
yes, sir.
ताकि आप रोटी बनाना सीखो।
Practice.
तो अब तक
Yes.
आपने थ्योरेटिकल इंग्लिश सीखे जिसमें इंग्लिश के बारे में बातें होती थी, इसीलिए आप कंफ्यूज रह जाते थे, क्योंकि जब आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आपको लगता है क्या करूं, क्योंकि आपने कभी इंग्लिश नहीं सीखा है। इसलिए इस
Yes,
बार
sir.
आप इंग्लिश के बारे में नहीं सीख रहे, आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं। तो
इंग्लिश
डू
सीख
योर
रहे
बेस्ट।
हैं।
आज जो भी सीखा है आपने, प्रैक्टिस करिए ग्रुप में, राइट सम सेंटेंसेस एवरीबॉडी, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। आई विल सी यू गाइस टुमारो। बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी।
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Good
Bye,
night.
sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
बाय सर।
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.